guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ladycg, aka Chelsea, aka Chelsea on the beat. And if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. So today I did a wig install video on this $100 deep wave wig from Amazon. Yes, $100. It is a 13 by 4, 20-inch in length. And it's not a full frontal. It has like that 4 inches of parting space and then, you know, down the side. So I did have to work a little bit with it. And excuse my face, it is late at night and I decided to put this wig on. I'm like, let me just record. So if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell notification to be notified when I post new videos. So we're gonna jump right into the video. So as you can see that I am fitting the wig to my liking, making sure it fits correctly because I have a big head and you know these wigs don't be fitting my head, but you know I finesse. So I'm gonna take my even glue and I'm just gonna spread about 3 thin layers of this glue onto my bald cap, and which I already did prior to recording. I'm just making sure that before adding the next layer of glue, that it dries completely clear. Or if you don't, you will see like the white residue off the glue when you lay your lace. I'm just taking my blow dryer to help dry that process in between each layer of glue, just so I can move a little bit quicker. And my blow dryer setting is on cool. After making sure that layer dries clear, I'm just pulling my lace forward, just pressing the lace into the glue everywhere I put the glue. It's in the back of my rat tail comb just to make sure I'm adding some pressure so it can stick very nicely. And I'm doing this in 3 parts, the middle first and then the 2 sides. And to further lay down my lace, I'm taking my melt band and I'm just going to leave that on for about 10 minutes or so. And while that is on there, I'm going to hot comb the top of my wig. And I'm not dragging the hot comb all the way down just because it is, I think this is a deep wave wig. So I'm just making sure I get mostly the roots of the wig. And I'm taking my wax stick in between each root to help further lay it down flatter. And after taking off my melt band, you can see that it melted the lace pretty well. I do believe there was some spots that the lace didn't catch with the glue, just because of my glue placement. So after cutting the lace off, I'm going to add more security with, I use my even spray. So I'm making sure I'm cutting that lace off in zigzag edging, just so I can give the front of the wig a realistic look and it's not so square or round looking. Usually I use my razor, but I think I was being lazy that night, so I just ended up using my scissors. And as you can see that I did not place my glue correctly for some of the lace, so yeah, I am taking my even spray and I'm spraying the edges to give it a further melt. I was using it as an adhesive for the parts that didn't get any glue. taking off my melt band, I'm going to take some makeup, and I am using the Ruby Kisses foundation, cream foundation in the color 12 on the darker side. I think I'm actually going to get number 13, just because I like having a little bit of the darker makeup so it blends when I, do my contour and stuff whenever I have a full face of makeup on. And I'm just going to part out my baby hairs and make sure they're even on both sides and cut them to my liking. And then I'm just defining my part for some reason in the middle of doing my baby hairs. But I'm taking my Got To Be spray with my edge brush, and I'm just molding the hairs in place. And I did cut my baby hair a little bit long, so it's better that you always cut it longer because you can take more off. If you cut it too short, you can't put it back on. So just make sure you always start off longer, and then you can always go back to fix it if you don't like it. And I'm just taking that same, actually I think I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Deep Olive to just put in my part, just to define it a little bit more. And I also didn't want to style this hair just because I did this install so late. So I did spray it with some water, and I did put some products in it just to define the curls. And I believe the products I used were the coconut milk cream from Ladycg. And then I had like a shine and sleek spray that I sprayed on it. I seen the TikTok girlies say if you use the shine and spray, it gives you that wet look for the majority of the day instead of walking around with damp hair. So I did try that out. And now I'm just fixing the top, making sure everything is put in place the way I want to. And this is the finished result. Came out super cute. I would recommend this wig for a very beginner install. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, press the bell notification to be notified when I post new videos.